In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use OneDrive's Personal Vault, a feature designed to keep your sensitive files even more secure. Let's get started by first opening your Microsoft Apps panel. From there, you'll want to locate and click OneDrive. This setting will help you manage all your stored documents with ease. Once you're in OneDrive, direct your attention to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Go ahead and click on My Files. This section is essentially the hub for all your saved documents and files. But today, we're interested in something a bit more secure, the Personal Vault. Moving forward, find and click on Personal Vault from the same left-hand menu. This specific area of OneDrive is specially reserved for more secure storage and includes additional layers of protection. The Personal Vault is designed to be a digital safe for your most valuable information. To access it for the first time, you're going to need to verify your identity. Microsoft prioritizes security, so they've added extra steps to make sure your sensitive files remain private. Expect a security code to arrive in your email inbox. This is the code you'll need to unlock your vault, so keep an eye out for it. After you receive the security code, enter it when prompted. You'll now find yourself inside your personal vault. The security here is robust, featuring enhanced measures like two-step verification. Think of it as putting a lock on a safe within your OneDrive. This adds a significant layer of peace of mind for your important files. If you're interested in managing your vault settings, click on the Vault option within the OneDrive interface and then choose Personal Vault Settings. This selection allows you to explore and adjust various management options for your files. Here, you can fine-tune everything to match your personal security preferences, ensuring you're comfortable with how your information is protected. After you've adjusted your settings and uploaded any files, remember to click Lock to secure the vault. Locking your personal vault is vital as it prevents unauthorized access, even if someone else gains access to your OneDrive account. Congratulations! You've successfully navigated through setting up your personal vault in OneDrive. Keep in mind that this vault is a premium feature for OneDrive users and provides an extra level of protection for sensitive information, whether it's financial documents, personal identification, or any other private matters. Rest assured, knowing these files have strong protection is invaluable. Using OneDrive's Personal Vault is an excellent step towards safeguarding your digital information. Always remember to lock your personal vault when it's not in use, and regularly verify your account details to ensure maximum security. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with securely storing your personal files in OneDrive.